Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some sliding door design ideas for your home. If you want to save space while adding a contemporary look, then install a balcony sliding door in your home. Have you ever felt like your doors are taking up space? These contemporary dynamic and functional sliding doors will be your choice then. Unlike regular doors, sliding doors design maximize the space in the room without detracting from the aesthetics as whole. But there is moral. These doors which come in various styles and pattern to enhance the aesthetic of your interior might be the ideal room separators. A sleek and modern sliding glass doors design is what today's homeowner want. They want the most recent trend in their home right now. High-end sliding doors may improve the appearance of any contemporary home and are in higher demand, but not every sliding to glass door is created equally. Your specific space might suit some designs better than others. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Frosted panel are a prominent feature of modern sliding door designs since they let in nature light while maintaining a space privacy from outsiders. Any space that needs to filter light well can benefit from this sliding glass door design, including balconies, kitchen, bedrooms, and living rooms. Steel frame doors are a terrific choice if you are searching for some of the safest and toughest sliding door designs. Steel is a highly durable material that doesn't rust or corrode easily. You don't have to be concerned about the frames deteriorating or being damaged over time because they are simple to maintain. A wooden sliding door design is an excellent option for homeowners that like a more conventional and classic look for their home. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching my video.